Here is the latest version of the Stradbroke cabin from Cabin Life. Done a little bit of extra fancy decking on this one, an extra fancy decking step. Generally it only comes with a 800 or 1 metre landing coming off the front door, but you can do any type of deck you want, and some people put them right through and make them 3 metres, but this one looks really cool. We can see that we've got 70mm timber, as all the Stradbroke cabins are made out of 70mm timber now. You've got the nice tongue and groove ceiling boards up here, your lights are embedded up in them, and your wires go along the top of that. Above that is your colour-bond roofing, and there's a space there of a roof batten that goes through that gives you space for your electricals. The 2 side panels are fixed, 2 middle doors open up, got a nice key lock, nice handles. That's what it looks like up close. Of course, it's all double glazing. See if we can get a good angle of the double glazing there. So we can see that's double glazed there. Nice lock-ins to the top and the bottom of the door. Really nice running rail here. Looking at the doors from the other side, we've got a nice easy glide system. Rolls along like that, and we've got some big wheels at the bottom, fix off like that. So really nice. Now this model's the 70mm timber. We can see these 70mm roof beams, quite thick and solid going through. They're 140 by 70mm thick. Tongue and groove ceiling boards, of course. And we can see our light fittings. We've got a fire alarm set up in this one. Now it's a nice open plan. Floor's the same, tongue and groove timber flooring. In here the electricals have been brought up through the floor here. When the timber's 70mm thick, you can actually bring it up through inside the timber and attach plates on like this. Makes a nice, easy, neat looking fitting. In the Stradbroke, we've got one window at this end. It's got this nice fold out angle. You can set it there just to breathe, so at night you can breathe it like that. Easy to put fly screens on the outside. And of course this closes up, they lock in, and you lock your handle up. Now they pull in really tight, especially when they're brand new, because they've got this beautiful rubber seal around them, which I'll show you. We'll pop this open again, and they've all got a rubber seal. That's around the doors and the windows. So this model's open plan. Looks quite nice with the painted timber bearers. And we've got this window here. In some of the Stradbroke models you'll see a window just like that one over on this side. Depends whether you're going to put a bed here or what your goal is. Some people use these for barbecue cabins or art studios, others use them for living dwellings, all that sort of thing. Now this bathroom, or whatever you want to use this cupboard for, but it's designed to fit a bathroom, and it's designed at 1200 wide, and it's designed to fit a shower, toilet and vanity. Vanity goes in the middle, shower over the side here of the toilet, and the toilet over here, and then the shower on the left hand side. So it's designed perfectly for that. You can put a shower over here, it doesn't really matter. But the idea is that when you walk in, you can see your vanity right in front of you, your mirror, looks quite nice and spacious. The sliding door can go on the inside or the outside. So in this case, we put it on the outside for the clients, what they wanted to use it for. But if you are using it for something else, just a walk-in robe or something, then that sliding door can be on the inside, which will give you more space on the outside. Okay, so it's 27 square metres, this model in the 70mm thick timber, double glazing. We'll have a good look at this window here. You can see the thick double 12mm glazing there. This window also opens up the same way, so it folds out like that. and with the rubber seals right around, so it seals in really nice and tight. And you can fully open it as well, like you would a normal window. We undo that latch at the bottom there, and then we open the window like normal. Close the latch at the bottom, and that's locked tight. Righto, so that's the latest version of the Stradbroke cabin from Cabin Life. Go to cabinlife.com.au and you can see a lot more of our videos.